Captain Safety Bake here, and today we're going to talk about a thing that I think should change in onesies. Should diapers be available in stores? And what I mean by diapers being available in stores is adult diapers that you can normally buy online. And I'm also going to talk about what my future plans are for reviewing adult diapers on this channel. So normally when you get a onesie, you have snaps here, and you got these snaps here. The problem I have is the way these are designed, they tend to fall off way too easily. And I think that onesies could be designed way better, that these little snap areas would not fall off if they had some kind of fabric right here. That way it will not fall apart. Recently I bought a onesie from a company that did do that. And unfortunately, the company has gone out of business since then, which sucks. But it is what it is. I was going to buy more from them, but once I found out they were going out of business, that kind of ruined those plans. But if you notice, it's just the fabric here. And that is what I think needs to be done more often. Here's the snaps. Same thing here. Here's the snaps. Fabric on the other side. I think that is how all onesies should be designed. But unfortunately, most onesies aren't designed that way. And don't get me wrong, the onesies that I usually wear do tend to last me for a decent amount of time, but I don't see it lasting for a very, very long time. I think eventually the snaps are going to break, and I'm going to end up having to buy some more again. Should adult diapers be in stores? I think so. I think a lot of times we have adult diapers in stores and they are Depends, and that's great for light incontinence, but it would be nice to see a North Shore or Rears or In Control type of diapers in stores. Maybe not so much maybe the prints exactly, but seeing more diapers that are just solid white in stores would be nice. And the reason being is, say you're in a pinch and you're traveling and you need a pack of diapers. It would be good to be able to pick it up at the store. And yes, there are medical supply stores around, but a lot of times medical supply stores have weird hours. That's been my experience when I've been on trips and needing to buy a pack while I'm on a trip. Because sometimes you'll pack and you think you have enough, but then you're off some, or maybe you decided to stay a little longer on your vacation and you need an extra pack. You know, situations like that could happen. And I think the reason they tend not to be is because the Depends have dominated the shelves, and higher quality diapers just aren't sold at Walmart or any other place. I think it would be a lot more convenient if you were able to buy it in a pinch or when you desperately need it and you don't have the time to buy it online and get it that way. I also thought I could talk about my diaper bag. I don't think I've ever really talked about on the channel and what I keep in here. Right here, I keep plastic bags to dispose of my diapers when I'm out in public. And in here, keep my diapers. Got my wipes. And I got some powder. And I like this one because it also, I forgot these were in here. It also has these little pouches for drinks to keep them cool while I'm out and about. You don't always have to have a plain bag like this. I also have a rocket ship one that I used to carry around with me, but lately this has been a little bigger than that, so that's why I've been using this. Yeah, this is the rocket ship one I used to carry around. I may use it again sometime, but lately it's been the normal diaper bag that I've been carrying around. It's just easier and more discreet. People probably ask me less questions about it. And that's just why I chose it. Moving forward, I will be reviewing diapers, but I will probably limit to about one diaper review a month. Right now, money's just tight, and it's hard to do 2 diaper reviews every month. My sleep's been off, my movements have been bothering me at night, and I'm just not getting the best sleep. So I'm trying to get myself back to a better sleeping schedule, and I'm just trying to rest, really. Take it easy. And that's all I want to talk about today. God bless, peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.